Whether you're looking for investors or trying to invest, our portal has you covered, connecting businesses and investors for mutually beneficial partnerships. If you're seeking investments, register as an applicant business. Head over to invest.gcci.gy. Hit register and follow the steps. Once submitted, be patient. We'll review and get back to you. You're in. Great. Start creating your projects for potential investors by following the prompts. Now sit back, relax, and wait for the connections to happen. Looking for a new project to invest in? Hit register and follow the steps. Give us a few. We'll review and get back to you. Approved. It's time to invest. Select your investment interests and explore the opportunities that await.